Hi everyone. In this video, we will learn how to replace the text in Word. For some reasons, you have typed the whole document, and there is a word which you have want to replace with another word. Instead of hey, you can write hello or whatever your preference is. Right now, I have done one mistake that there is a yet instead of hey. I have write yet. In your case, it can be in multiple times. For changing only in one place, you can directly write it. Instead of yet, you can write hey. But if you have to change many times, that will be a problem. So, what we can do is select yet, and in home, you can see replace here. Click on that. See, find what is yet. What we have to replace with is hey. Instead of yet, I want hey. It will first find. We reached the end of the document because I have already selected it. So if it was multiple, when I will click on find next, it will go to next yet. But now, as I have only one yet, I have to click on replace. Now it has find another yet, but there is no yet. So it is telling, do you want to search again or no? Means from beginning you want to search. I will click on no. I don't want to search again. Then, if you have multiple yet, then you can click on replace all. Otherwise, if you want to change only for selected places, then you have to click on replace. Means after selecting this, click on replace. Then you don't want to change here and you want to change here. Then click on wait, I will show. Click now. Hey, to hello. Now I will click find this hey, and I need to replace this only. So I will click on replace. See, hey became hello. Now I don't want this hey. Now as this is end, it will ask to check from start. Yes. Here I don't want to change this, but I want to change this one. So I will click on find next. Then I will click on replace. But if you want to change all the hay, then you can click on replace all. See, everything got changed. This is how you can replace the text in Word. Thank you for watching, guys.